Hello guys, today I have brought you an income app where you can earn money by playing games. The name of this app is Reward. Here you can earn simply by playing games and completing some basic surveys. I have earned money in my PayPal account by playing games here. This is my original PayPal account, and as you can see, I have received payment from the gaming group. Alongside my regular work, I have managed to earn nearly 15 euros in just 2 days by playing games here. The Reward app's link will be provided in the description box of this video. From there, you can easily install the app. Here you can earn money by playing games. After downloading the app, you need to register here using your Google account first. After that, the homepage of this app will appear in front of you. Here you can earn money by playing games in various ways. I am earning by playing games from the Prime Arms section here. You can check my rewards here. I have earned 3 euros through PayPal from my first account, and from my second account on another phone, I have earned 12 euros. Playing games here is actually very easy. After clicking on Earn, a page like this will appear in front of you. Here, you will find your challenge. You can choose which game you want to play and which challenge you want to complete from here. Here I am earning by playing these 4 games. Inside each challenge, all the details will be written for you. You have to complete the target within that game and then you will receive the points here. And by earning these points, you can withdraw to PayPal. Here, everything is written, including how many coins you need to withdraw a certain amount of euros. And if you want, you can also get gift cards from here and top up within the game. So, this was today's trustworthy game app through which you can easily earn a lot of money in a short time. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to subscribe to the channel. So, I'll see you all again next time with a new video. Until then, everyone stay well and take care. Bye bye.